Hello friends, I have some Douglas Fir old boards from somewhere. I'm going to say the mountains, which is just that way. And these have been sanded down. Lovely, lovely fir grain. Little notch out the back that I will clean up, and that's going to receive a board. But I'm going to use the huge, and I just wanted to see, I'm going to flip this over, wanted to see what this wood is going to look like with some oil on it. There we go. Oh, so this is a little catchy. I actually want to see what it's like on the, well, it just sucks the oil right in. So I'm going to put some on the, oh yeah, look at that fur shining with the oil. All right, well, I'll do another video of the oil going in. Look at that. Wow. It's going to be a picture frame. All right. I gotta get to work, but there you go. Look at that. She's a beaut.